Welcome to this NAED Learning Center tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn how you can become an NAED Training Partner and provide your product and industry training to electrical distributors on the NAED Learning Center. NAED is the leader in training for the electrical distribution industry. The NAED Learning Center offers more than 1,000 online training modules, including industry-specific content, business and communications, leadership and management, safety, and software training. To provide distributor employees with the most efficient and complete training source, NAED has also developed training partnerships with manufacturers, allowing their courses to be hosted on the NAED Learning Center. This program has been very successful, with more than 13,000 manufacturer training modules being completed in 2013 alone. Becoming a training partner grants you access to the entire electrical distribution workforce on the Learning Center. It provides you with reporting on training usage and learner feedback, and your training and brands will be promoted on NAED.org, TEDMag.com, in TED Magazine, at NAED conferences and meetings, and in the printed and online Learning Center catalog. To qualify, all your courses must be instructionally sound. NAED is an authorized provider of IACET, and thus follows very specific guidelines for designing and delivering training content. Minimally, each of your training modules should include a statement of learning objectives for the course. It should present topics and content that address the learning objectives, and there needs to be a quiz to measure that the learner has indeed learned the objectives. Optionally, NAED can also review and approve your modules for CEUs if you wish to offer credit for any of your modules. This can be an incentive for industry learners who need continuing education units to maintain their certifications. We also recommend that any online module be no longer than 30 minutes in length, with a quiz containing 5 to 10 relevant questions. Whether you develop your training modules in-house or work with a third-party development company, there are some technical requirements that need to be met in order for your training to operate on the Learning Center. Your training must be web-based. If it can be viewed using a browser such as Chrome or Internet Explorer, then it can be viewed on the Learning Center. When your course includes a quiz, your training must be either AICC or SCORM compliant. These technical standards enable your course to automatically update learners' transcripts on the Learning Center. All current course authoring applications publish content to one or both of these standards. If your course does not include a quiz, you can email us your quiz separately so it can be built directly on the Learning Center and associated with your course. You can also provide video files, such as FLV, MP4, or MOV files. These can stream directly from the Learning Center. Uploading your training to the NAED Learning Center site. When you have been approved as a training partner, you will be given secure access to the NAED FTP site, where you can easily upload your courses. NAED first provides a URL link to a private FTP folder where you can upload your training content. You can open this site using Internet Explorer. NAED will also provide you with a username and password so you can access the site when prompted. As instructed, press the Alt key to access the Internet Explorer menu. Then click View and open FTP site in Windows Explorer. Enter your username and password again and click Log On. When the view changes to Windows Explorer, you can then drag and drop your content into your folder and the courses will be uploaded to the NAED site. When your courses have been uploaded, you can click the Close button in the upper right to exit Internet Explorer. Note that if you do not wish to use Internet Explorer to upload your courses, there are many FTP client applications available that you can use instead. When your courses have been uploaded, email NAED's LMS administrator with the following information. Provide your course title, description, and artwork as you wish it to appear in the catalog. Indicate whether the course is AICC compliant, SCORM compliant, or neither. Provide your quiz questions and answers if not included in the online course. Define your target audience. Should the training be freely available to all companies on the Learning Center or only to specific distributor partners? When the NAED staff receives your email, we will configure and test your training modules. When validated, we will confirm that the modules are available on the Learning Center. NAED will also give your training team access to the Learning Center so they can run usage and rating reports anytime. These reports will give you specific information about industry employees who are taking your courses and any feedback they have about their experiences. One or more members of your team can be given a login to the Learning Center. From there, any of them can click the Reports menu. There are 2 reports available, a usage report and a rating report. To view usage, click on the Usage report. Note that both of these reports will generate spreadsheets that you can open and edit in Microsoft Excel. On the Usage report, you can enter a date range if desired, or if you want all existing records, you can leave these fields blank. Click Create Report to run the report. It will pull the appropriate data from the Learning Center. When prompted, click Open to open the report. And while the data is being downloaded, you can minimize the Internet Explorer window. When the data is ready, you will be prompted to click Yes to open the file in Excel on your computer. The report will open in Excel where it can be reviewed, printed, or saved. Note this report indicates the name of the employee, the distributor company, the course name, status, and start and completion date. In addition, you can run a ratings report to view any feedback from industry learners. Select the Ratings report from the Reports menu. Again, you can enter a date range if desired and click Create Report. Like before, the report will open in Microsoft Excel. This report will show any anonymous ratings and comments for your courses. This information can be useful as you strive to continually improve the quality and effectiveness of your training. Finally, as a training partner, the NAED marketing team will also feature your company logo and available training at NAED meetings and conferences, in the Learning Center print catalog and homepage, and in TED Magazine. Additional marketing opportunities may include NAED publications, e-blasts, and other mailings to educate our members about the training you are offering on the Learning Center. And of course, you can also educate your distributor partners about the training you provide on the site. Thanks for viewing this tutorial. If you would like to become an NAED training partner, contact Member Services today. Call 888-791-2512 or email us at memberservices@naed.org.